In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the username of your Windows 11 account. So first thing we're going to do is head over to our start menu and just search for control panel and then click on the control panel window. From the top right hand side, make sure you have view by set to large icons, and then we're going to come down and select user accounts. Now from here, you need to select change your account name. If you don't have this option available, then don't worry, as I'm going to show you exactly what to do in a second if this option doesn't appear. But if you can't see this, then just click on change your account name and then go ahead and type in the new username that you want to use and click change name, and finally select change name. So now you can see that our username is changed. If I click on the start menu, it's still using the old name down here, and that's because we need to restart our computer, and once the computer's restarted, it will also update from this section too. Now if you don't see this change your account name option, then what you'll need to do is head over to your start menu and just search for settings and then click on the settings window. From the left hand side, select accounts and then scroll down and click on your info. Now underneath account settings, you need to make sure you have a local account set up. So on the right hand side here, you should have an option that says sign in with a local account or something similar to that. And then you'll just need to go through the steps on the screen to swap your Microsoft account to a local account. Once you've done that, you'll then be able to head back over to the control panel and you'll be able to change your username. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.